Guys, welcome back to Meteor Garage. I just wanted to show you something real quick. I bought this goped for about 200 bucks, but it's got a nice aluminum deck. It's actually the Xped chassis. But looking at this motor, first of all, it had the wrong pull start on it. This is like the CYs, and it would pull, but then it wouldn't retract. So luckily I have the right one. But with that said, always check for spark first, or at least check this. This was all rusty, really bad. I should have took a picture, but it was terrible. We'll just say it looked like that. And I clean it up. I just use something like that on your drill, or one of these guys, whatever. Anything to get it off. I gotta do this still. That will not give you spark. Carb's pretty dirty. I'll clean it up. I'm gonna just see if it fires first, but even the tank was loose. The engine actually is loose. See that? Yeah, that's not good. So always check these things over. Make sure they're good. Yeah, once everything's tight and you got at least got spark, you can deal with the fuel issue later. It'll be good. So just a little heads up, check this stuff over. You never know. Thanks guys, and I do have some good, well, I'm thinking they're going to be good videos coming up. So it's got the race with the electric and gas finally, probably a dual electric race too. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.